Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll teach you guys how to install the texture pack. So, what you want to do is go to NEXUS mods. I'll have a link in the description below. This will take you to a page to NEXUS mods. This is the pack, Lewis texture pack. What you want to do is go down to files, install the Lewis texture pack. It's going to ask you to download the custom textures and the best Valheim exe, wherever that is, and it'll take you to this. Download this, manual download, and then this, same thing, manual download. Now once you have those installed, what you want to do is go to your file explorer. You want to find your downloads, get your downloads, drag them or extract them. You're going to need a 7-zip or WinRAR for this, so extract them. Extract these here. So we just extract them real quick. So all these textures are the textures for the graphics, and what you want to do is put them in a folder. Let's say I'm just going to do text, and I'm just going to drag all these into the text folder. Now this icon, you don't need this, you can delete that. But what you want to do is drag your files over here. These are three. You should have 3 files: this, the text, and the custom textures. So locate your game directory, which is Valheim. I have a copy. My copy is a fresh one, and then my other one's a mods one. Always keep a backup of the fresh one, which is default Valheim without any mods. So always make backups just in case your game corrupts or something like that. So once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to drag the bestbn.exe. Open the bestbn.exe. My bad. Open this and drag all these files into the Valheim game directory. So once you do that, back out of that. Now you're on to the text file. So the text file, you want to go to plugins, and you will need to load the game up first. So once you boot up your game up, and then once you're in the menu, just back out and then go to your game directory again. So go to your library where Valheim's at, go to bestbin.exe, and then go to plugins, make your way to custom textures folder. Don't click on anything else, just click on the folder, and then go back to your folder where you had all those texture files, all the PNGs. Drag all the pictures into the texture file. Custom textures, and once you do that, you're done. You can go in-game and check out all the textures. Now, you might get a slight decrease in FPS, but that's how it is with textures. So yeah, that's how you install it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later.